Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So my rug's here. My rug's here. Ooh, it's time to put that bad boy down. Let's go. I want to say hey. First thing I wanna show you guys is this rug that I got. I bought this rug on Amazon. The rug was originally like I think about 80 bucks. I'll try to link it down below. But when I bought it, it had like a 25% or no, it was $90. Yes, it was $90. And when I looked on Amazon the day I was gonna buy it, there was a sale on it because I had already been keeping my eye on it. See, Kyrie likes it. It's like a shag rug. I had already had my eye on it, and I already had it in my cart. I was just waiting until we got here to order it. And once I got here and got ready to order it, there was like a 25% or there was like some sort of a coupon on it. So instead of it being the $90, it was $63. So I went ahead and ordered it then. I think it's still on sale right now. Not really sure, but I believe it is still on sale. But this is the rug. I got it in taupe. As you can see, when we put it's really soft, you guys. I just vacuumed it, and now I'm just moving our sectional back onto it. As you see, I got my little yellow pillows. Those pillows came from Amazon as well. They were, I want to say 18. It wasn't the pillows themselves, it was the pillowcases. I got that set of pillows I showed you guys in that haul. And those had 4 in it. The pillowcases themselves did come from Amazon, and I believe they were $18 as well. I will link everything in the description below. But these technically came from Amazon, though I ordered them from Walmart.com. But these are the pillows. They're like a velvet, so they're like really, really soft, but they're really pretty. And I like the yellow contrast in the colors in my sectional. So here is the rug. I'm gonna show you guys everything else that I got here in a moment, but I just know I wanted to go ahead and put that down so I can go ahead and get the edges. See how I curl up? You have to put the stuff on it and just kind of get it move around normally. So I know I want to go ahead and put this down. So I want to go ahead and show it to you guys now before I finish covering it up and everything. So this is what it looks like all together and laid out. I think I'm going to move it forward only because I intend to get a skinny couch table to go back there next to that wall. So it'll all come forward this way a little bit, kind of towards me. And then I'm going to put some sort of a chair right there. And this has enough space. It's just the edges are still kind of curled up, so I'm kind of waiting for it to relax and go down. But it is laying completely flat. It is really soft. So far, when I vacuumed it, I didn't see any of the pieces come out, so I'm thinking this was a pretty good buy. I went ahead and vacuumed because the card, there was the directions for the card. It came with the spills set up and different cleaning tips. But this is a 6x9 rug. I was gonna get a smaller one. I'm glad I didn't. If anything, I would have got a bigger one, or I think I would have gotten a bigger one. But this one's actually really good, just because of the fact that it's the perfect area for the inside of the sectional. And once I get a chair for over here, it'll be perfectly set up, especially once I move everything forward this way. So correction on the rug. I guess when I originally saw the rug, it was already on sale and they just dropped a little bit more. So the rug is usually, like I said, it's a 6x9 and it's usually $120. I got it for $63 because the sale is 46% off. And I just saw on there that there's also a coupon that you can click and add right before you check out, and it's another $6.40 off. So it wasn't that much when I had it. I just got the $63.99 instead of $120. But right now there's also a coupon that takes off an additional $6.40. Okay guys, so I finally have a little moment to myself, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything else that I got. There are a couple things that are not going to be shown because they are not here yet. So the first thing I bought is a book. The book is called A Deeper Love Inside. It's a sequel to the book The Coldest Winter Ever. I read that book a long time ago, and I didn't know there was a sequel. I knew there was other books that came with it, like there was one called Midnight, about the guy from the book. Well, this one is about the sister, and I ordered this one. Let me show it to you better. I ordered this on Saturday. This book is by Sister Soldier, or Sister Soldier, however you want to say it. The book was $15.30. It came from, I believe, Washington or something like that. I don't know, but it got here relatively quick. I'm probably going to start reading this one tonight. I'm actually really excited. That was like a big thing for me. I was so excited to get home at the end of every day, get a cold drink, and curl up with a good book. So I hope this one is as good as the first one that I read before. So I'm actually quite excited about reading it. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the baby pacifiers that I bought. They're from Nuby. I think that's how you say it, N-U-B-Y. And I'm going to show you guys that. I have the packaging and everything. And just to be careful, because all this stuff came relatively quickly, especially the pacifiers. And they've been going from hand to hand, you know. I'm cautious. So I do have my sanitizer right here, so that after I open things, I can sanitize my hands. Just to be on the safe side. Just me, I guess. I don't know. Anywho, here is the packaging that the pacifiers come in. Because of the fact that they're so small, these pacifiers come in a 2-pack. Since the first time we bought them, they were in a 2-pack, and they were this particular color. And ever since we've been trying to find them, we hadn't been able to find them. Did they send me the exact same? Oh my gosh! They sent me the exact same color that they sent yesterday. That was the whole point of sending them back, was because I wanted to get the right color. Anyway, this is what the pacifiers look like. They sent me the girl colors. Again, this is why I was trying to swap them out, was because they were the girl colors. And they just sent the exact same pacifiers they sent me yesterday again. So I guess I'll just have to message the seller and figure that out. See, on the ad on Amazon, it does not give you the option to pick a color. It says colors will vary, but it doesn't give you the option to pick a specific color. So they did it again, pretty much. Those are the same colors I got yesterday. So anywho, the pacifiers are $6 or $5.98. Of course, on Amazon, if you get a certain price and they're an Amazon seller or something like that, after you get $25 worth of stuff, shipping is free. Now, some of this stuff wasn't like that, so I had to pay shipping on, I believe it was this next piece here. So my favorite hair that I use in my head is not on a lot of the websites anymore. I do not know why. I think you can find it at some beauty supply stores, but the ones that I have been in, you cannot, it's not there. So I have to order it. Well, the place I've been ordering from no longer have it. So I just happened to find it on Amazon, which is great. The price is a little bit steeper, I guess you could say. But for the hair I want, it's not like expensive. It's $25 a pack. So this is the packaging, and it comes in, as I said, the hair is $25 a bag. Okay, all right, I bought it. Off a good fight, and I won, you guys. All right, jar mixing now, because this hair has been in this bag probably since I ordered this hair. So the hair is probably okay to touch now, because it's been in the back of a hot truck or something. The packaging itself, I don't like to touch because it goes from hand to hand. But the stuff on the inside, I'm usually quite okay with. As I said, this hair was $24.99. $24.52. There it is. A pack. I bought 2 packs, so it came out to $53.08. And it is the hair that I absolutely adore, you guys. It is Freetress, or not Freetress, Expressions Temptation Curl. Is that germ mix? I got germ mix in the pack, guys. I was squirting too fast. Yeah. It is Expression Temptation Curl. The hair that you guys saw where I had that kind of a red color afro, it's like a red and black kind of color. This is that hair. But I usually get it in a 1B, so I'm excited that they actually had the color that I normally get. So I ordered 2 packs because I normally use 2 full packs of this hair when I do my hair. So I got myself 2 packs of the color 1B. Pop that up there so you guys can see it. And be on the lookout because this hair tutorial is going to be coming at you pretty soon, guys. Yeah. Okay. On to the last thing in this order, you guys, and it's probably the one thing I'm the most excited for. I'm not even going to joke. I ordered myself some shoes. Now, me and shoes, I don't know how to explain it. I don't like to order them because it's difficult for me to find things that fit me appropriately. I do not have wide feet. My feet are slender. I'm flat-footed, but my feet are still quite slender. And I wear a bigger size shoe because I'm a taller woman. So I have trouble finding shoes the right size that look good on my feet. So I ordered some shoes. Of course, they are tennis shoes or athletic shoes, but I'm so excited about these shoes. I ordered these from Shoe Department. I always order shoes from Shoe Department. I don't know. They always send me the right stuff. It gets here really quickly. It's always accurate. So the last time I ordered shoes, it wasn't them. It was the company that made the shoes. The shoes run small. So they do really good they have good prices. These were on sale. So I was excited to get them. They were like 80 or 90 bucks normally, and I got them for 60. And I haven't ordered a pair of like athletic shoes in a while. And these aren't so much athletic. I got them just because I thought they were really cute and I wanted some different walking shoes. So here's the box, Shoeshow box, because that's the website, shoeshow.com. I hope they're right. They always do me right. So I'm thinking they're gonna be pretty good. Oh, so excited about this box. I'm sorry, guys. I get so amped about these. Okay. So here's the box. Yes, they are Nike. It comes with a little thing. This is the receipt with like the stock number and everything on it. Okay, come on, shoe. Be everything I hoped and dreamed you were. So excited. Okay. They're big. Oh, I gotta touch them. Okay. I don't know what they're called. Let me see if it's on the tag rip. No, it doesn't really say like the name of the shoe in particular. I'm gonna show them to you. I ordered them in an 11, because I wear sometimes an 11. You guys, put them where you can see them. I love these. I think they are just so cute. I'm excited to put them on my feet now because I'm going to put them on my feet. I don't know. I just love these. Look at that. Oh, man. These are so dope. Okay. Here's the other. I love the colors. I love that. I love that blue and that pink in there. I know that's teal, but I just think that is so cute. Ooh, yeah. So I got me some more shoes, which I don't do often. I rarely buy myself shoes here, to be honest. When I do, it's like I have something to do in particular, therefore I need the shoes. But otherwise, I still got shoes from college, guys. Yeah. Literally 10 years ago. I'm not big on shopping, so my husband lately has been like, buy stuff, get yourself things. And I'm like, Okay, guys, so literally I spent less than like $250 for everything that I've shown, plus the 2 things that aren't here yet, which, like I said, those slippers are $25.99 and that other book was $6.99. And I spent less than $250 on everything, because you guys know, regardless, I'm still going to be on a budget. It's just my thing. But that's everything that I got for this haul. I'll show you guys as I keep collecting things, especially for our house. There's so much I want to do in this place. So as I collect, you guys will definitely be the first to see them all, to see everything. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. To all people that are supporting me and watching these videos, you guys, I appreciate you so much for supporting me and watching these videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting me by watching these videos. I get to speaking too fast sometimes. I'm so sorry. But I really appreciate you guys so much. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So be on the lookout for my next video because they're going to be coming at you. That was so weird. Okay. So again, thank you guys so much for watching another of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.